friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Delia Mireya. For this video, I will be sharing with you guys my favorite way of cutting my hair at home. The best way or method that I've cut my hair throughout the years. I'll be sharing with you guys like mini clips of other years when I've cut my hair, because this is the method that I've been using for years. I do want to make a disclaimer that I am not a hairstylist. I am not a professional. If you're looking for a professional way to cut your hair, please click out of this video. This is just the way that I cut my hair at home. I hope that this video is helpful, that you guys could possibly try cutting your hair at home. I do want to say before we move on to cutting your hair, please don't cut a lot. Start with cutting a little bit. Have a mirror in front of you, one behind you, or have a friend or family help you out or let you know if your hair is looking good. I don't feel like there's a way to go wrong with this method. Cut a little bit if you like it. Cut a little bit more, and if you like it, you can cut a lot more. I'm still going to be using this method or this way to cut my hair because I'm trying to grow out my hair. In order for my hair to grow long and healthy, I have to cut it. I have to get rid of all that damaged, dry hair, just because when I brush it, I would have a lot of hair breakage because of all the hair dyeing and all the craziness I've done to my hair in the past year. This is the way that I'm going to keep cutting my hair until it grows out. I want my hair long again, but I know that it requires patience. Let's go ahead and get started with this video.
Hey friends, so this is gonna go pretty quick, so make sure that you pause this video in case I'm going too fast for you guys. I'm going to brush my hair, that way it doesn't have any tangles. I'm gonna be applying a cream. This is a hair cream by Garnier Fructis. I really like this hair cream because I have a lot of knots and tangles because my hair is damaged, so I use this quite a bit. Then I'm gonna be putting my hair in a high ponytail. Make sure there's no bumps, there's no tangles. I'm going to be putting a hair elastic. I'm also going to be putting a second hair elastic, and I'm going to be cutting under the hair elastic. You can always cut like above, but I would suggest please start by cutting just a little bit. If you like this hair cutting technique, then you can always grab your hair in a ponytail once again and cut a little bit more. This hairstyle does give you quite a bit of layers, so if you don't want any layers, just keep watching. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of all those layers. Now, if you look on the back of my hair, it's kind of like U-shaped, but it has a whole bunch of layers, and I didn't want that many layers. So what I did was I removed the hair elastic, and then I brought my hair all the way forward. Then I cut like like straight across, and then I'm going to be cutting upwards. That way I don't get like a straight line, like a perfect straight line. So I just wanted to do that. That way I got rid of some layers. I'm going to be using, well, I've used this hair cutting technique for years, and I'm going to keep cutting my hair until I get rid of all this damaged hair that I've had because of all the hair dyeing that I did and all the damage that I did throughout this past year or two. For my bangs, you guys, I've been using this bang cutting method that I've used as well. I've used this for years. You know how expensive it is to cut your bangs at with a hairstylist? So expensive. Obviously, if you're don't have confidence and you feel like you can't do it at home, you can always go see a hairstylist. But I've cut my bangs for years. A link to that video in the description box below, a little bit more detailed on how I cut my bangs at home. And this is the method for hair cutting that I've used for years. As you can see, the back of my hair is a U-shaped, but there aren't that many layers.
What did you guys think, friends? Are you guys going to be trying it at home? Are you going to be cutting your hair at home? It's been a while since I recorded that video, maybe 2 months. I think that my hair has grown maybe just a little bit. You guys will probably not be able to tell. My hair is curled, so you probably won't be able to tell the difference. Show you guys how my hair looks like right now. Happy hair cutting. Don't cut too much. Start with a little bit. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Take care. May God bless you all. And I will see you guys in the next video.